Honey, isn't there like a song, something about here we go again, or
Here we go again.
on the road again?
Okay. Yes. And here we go again. On the road again.
All right, we're off to West Virginia.
That's right.
Are you awake yet?
I'm ready to go.
All right. We have our moto meetup on Saturday at the rally on the Levee in Not Charleston, South Carolina. Where are we going?
West Virginia.
No, what is it? It's Charleston, right? West Virginia. That's it. Okay. All right, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna hit that relive button so that you guys get to see where we're traveling to. We're gonna take 2 days. How many miles today?
Like 450.
Okay, 10-hour day.
Yep.
Here we go.
Bye. Yeah, Mexican pizza's back. Do that.
That was not the right street. Now we're at a gas station trying to figure out directions. Update.
God damn it, stop.
That last street took us to the fort again on the other side, and now we're on the side of the road trying to figure out where we're supposed to go. This is a cute little town. Hinesville, I think is what it is. So eventually we'll make it there. But this is what I love about riding. Getting lost. I don't mind it.
Yeah, you're not leaving.
You got that. We're already crawled into bed.
Yeah, well, there's not a bunch of places to sit in a hotel room, so you sit on the bed. Anyway, we didn't end up where we were originally planned.
No.
We took 2 or 3 detours.
Yeah, that's my fault. Well, it's not my fault. It's kind of cool, actually, if you think about it, because I had said that today I wanted to, just remember being Memorial Day and ride and honor those heroes because we're riding this awesome country. And for some reason we kept running into the
Military base.
The base and every
around
direction.
Google said turn left, we turned left, we hit the base again, turned around. Finally we went way down and around. And most of it was just to avoid the rain. There was rain up where we were going. There was not rain along the coast. So we landed in Savannah.
But I want to say real quick, when we stopped at a stoplight and we were talking about this, you're like, well, you know what road we're on, right? It was
Yes.
Memorial Drive.
Yes.
When we started talking about it, I'm like, oh, so that was cool. But yeah.
The strangest things happen when you're on the road. So anyway,
Yeah.
we were going to go up to Statesboro, but then when I sat and did the math, I saved us 30 miles by just staying here.
Yeah.
So
Thank
anyway,
you.
we're going to stay here, and then we're going to get up bright and early in the morning because we got a long day tomorrow. We got a little over 500 miles tomorrow, and finish this off.
Yep. Ate at IHOP. Woohoo!
That's right.
It was across the street.
Every time I hear IHOP, I would 2.5 Men. Anybody ever watch 2.5 Men?
All right, what's your joke? Tell
So
it.
Jake does a joke, and his joke is,
What do you call? What do you call?
No.
No?
No, it wasn't. It was something along the lines of, if all the ladies with big boobs work at Hooters, then all the waiters with one leg work at IHOP. Something like that.
Oh, I thought it was, what do you call a one-legged waitress?
What would you call that?
IHOP.
That doesn't make any sense.
No, it has to do with being a waitress and working at
It
IHOP.
does. So it was big boobs at Hooters, one leg at IHOP.
All right, whatever.
Where do all the one-legged waitresses work?
That's it.
Yes.
Where do all the
one-legged waitresses work?
IHOP. Okay, we got it.
Anyway, you can't get mad at me. It wasn't my joke. I'm just repeating, or I'm attempting to repeat what was on 2.5 Men. But I always think of that. It just stuck with me.
All right, we're gonna go do our live.
We're tired.
We do a live on
This is
Facebook
what happens.
and YouTube, right? Every Monday,
That's right.
8:30 Eastern, and it's still Eastern time.
Right.
All right, we're headed to West Virginia. Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right, guys. So it is like 7:30. We were supposed to leave at 7, but it's not 8, so we're winning. Anyway, we're almost ready. We are headed out of Georgia, off to West Virginia. Mama Badger's getting all plugged in there, and we'll be ready to rock. Right, Mama?
What?
We ready to rock?
I'm ready to go back to bed.
Of course she is.
Quick stop because my buns were killing me. I don't know about you. You had to go back.
We need gas.
Oh, we need gas too. I was like, I need a break. That's what I saw the billboard. I was like, let's do it.
So we have to get gas.
Just a quick stop. It's a cool town. Where we at? And yeah, super cool place. We're gonna go in and check it out. Fun fact, this place was owned by a woman. It's our second store.
Cool.
The other one's in Asheville. We're in South Carolina. That's in North Carolina, which we're on the border.
Okay.
That's cool. There's another, I'm assuming biker chick. Hopefully she's one. Couple of dealerships.
Those people that own dealerships are relevant.
That's true.
We know a few.
We know.
Sold out crowd under the neon lights, so keep on singing, playing them songs. Know one day that they'll all sing along, living that life, traveling the world, fortune, fame, and good-looking girls. A house on the hill, paid for the string of hits, but it just hasn't happened yet.
Good morning. It's Wednesday, June 1st, start of another awesome month in the hotel room. Everybody's downstairs waiting on me, of course, because they tease and they're like, what time are we leaving? 9:30. Okay, yeah, that's bright and early. That's bright and early for me. But no, actually been up for a few hours working away. It's hard. It's hard working on the road. So no complaints here. But anyways, yeah, let's go see who's downstairs and see what we have planned for today. I'm super excited. All right, we ready to do this?
What we doing?
Where are we at?
West Virginia.
Charleston, West Virginia.
What are we doing today?
Doug's in Kentucky. The rest of us is in West Virginia.
We're in wild and wonderful West Virginia. And I get to meet Mr. Wild and Wonderful himself. Him. Yeah.
Rooster.
It's
He's a
Rooster.
little cocky.
What are we doing today, guys?
Riding motorcycles.
Oh, these guys know. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
I'm not going on a
On a ride.
If I have to go on a boat, well, I would like to ride a ferry over the boat. We
Okay.
are going
I thought you rode a ferry all the time.
to ride the town
All right. Where's that at?
on 60.
It's
Starts
It's
on
in
Gully
West
Bridge
Virginia.
and takes you across Hawks Nest, and it ends in Pico. Not Hicko, Pico,
All right.
West Virginia.
And then lunch somewhere, right? Somewhere we'll have to show them where lunch.
Babcock State Park and New River Gorge National Park.
Yeah, and
Newest national park.
Pies and Points.
And Pies and Points in Fayetteville.
Yeah.
Damn, we got a lot to do.
Yes.
All right.
Fayetteville, Kentucky.
All right, let's get this started.
Shit, I put up.
All right, tell me who you are.
Mandy the Machine.
How can they find you?
On YouTube, it's Mandy the Machine. On Facebook, it's Amanda Huffman. And on Instagram, it's MMA Gal 33.
All right, here we go. Right back next to Switchback Bar,
That's right.
which she's wearing her World Record Poker Run
Yes.
sweatshirt, people.
And my tank top.
Hey, me too. We're gonna make Twinkies today.
Yeah. I got the same one on.
Love it. She is all official, people.
Here we go.
Go,
Woo!
go subscribe and
I
follow
made
her.
it.
Hey, off the horn.
Been doing that ever since we go to the town. Morning.
What the hell's wrong with my bike?
Nothing.
I have no idea what you guys are doing over there.
Your headlight was about to fall out.
No big deal.
You was running it too hard.
It's all his fault. Her fault. Your fault.
We just didn't have nothing to do. So we thought we'd take the damn thing apart.
It's West Virginia roads, beating it to death.
It's your fault for noticing it, Tim.
Well, a couple more bumps and you'd have been lightless.
Look at this crazy.
Look at this crazy chick over here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I gotta go get it. I want to feed my dog.
Your dog?
That down here's another one. Got two of them down here now.
Now we got this.
No, that's a different
Oh no, that's a different one. This is my dog.
She likes the fat duck.
Is he seriously zip tying my...
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Zip
Do you want
tie.
to fix it some other way? If you want to, feel free.
Zip ties all.
If you can't duck it, just fuck it. If you can't duck it, then just fuck it.
Good morning, guys. So, as you guys know, we're in West Virginia, and it is like butt crack of dawn early for us because this is what we woke up to, and apparently it was only in our room. So, welcome to West Virginia. 5:30 in the morning. Did you get stuff out of
Yes, I got out of the bathroom. And this is what we wake up to. In our room, apparently. Only in our room. So we're packing up. We're headed to a different room. Oh, Lord.
Woke up to a sunny day, clear blue sky. Nothing urgent on my plate, only good vibes. Whole lot of love in this great big world. Yeah, life is good. Yeah, life is good. Got a job I love, a little money in the bank, a few worthy friends, some gas in my tank.
Hey, Garrett!
Can't wait
Top of the morning to ya! Fuck you!
Can't wait to take a